Hi guys, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine.
And today we're going to teach you guys how to use the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask and Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask together. What's really amazing about these two masks are they have hero star ingredients that we're both really passionate about that can really work well together. So for example, watermelon is rich in amino acids and vitamins, and it's really strong with the antioxidant properties while providing anti-inflammatories. So if you have oily skin, this is perfect because you can actually keep your skin balanced while giving the extra hydration and soothing effect all at the same time.
And then avocado is really nature's butter for the skin, if you will. It's an amazing ingredient, so rich in linoleic acids and oleic acids, which is very nourishing. And we really wanted to extract every part of the avocado possible. So we packed the formula with 74% avocado extract, and it has 4 different types of avocado, including the extract, the oil, the butter, and the flesh.
So there are 3 tips that we have in order to use this really well together. Both of these masks are actually amazing for all skin types. It really just depends on how you utilize them. And because the 2 masks have completely different textures, you can have fun with playing and switching it up and also use them at the same time in the same routine.
So one of our favorite ways to use these 2 masks is via multi-masking. So you might have heard this term before, but it's really customizing your mask placement depending on what your skin needs are. Nobody's skin is perfectly dry or perfectly oily, even. And even me, I have very dry skin. I still have some oily patches like right here.
Yeah, I have very combination skin. Sometimes it's just really unpredictable what my skin needs are or wants. Typically, I have very oily T-zone and very dry U-zone. So there was never one particular product that did it all. I loved experimenting with different textures and different formulas to kind of target the 2 parts. So what we recommend utilizing the 2 different textures is applying the Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask, which is actually great for dry skin or dry parts of the skin, for your U-zone, which is basically your cheeks and chin. And for the T-zone that tends to get oilier, you want to apply the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask there, which is your forehead and your nose.
A lot of you guys have asked if you can use both watermelon and avocado masks in your routine, and the answer is absolutely. So I have dry skin, and how I like to do it is I usually use avocado at least 3 times a week as the last step of my skincare routine. But on the weekends or on a certain day where I feel like I'm a little congested or I need a little bit of brightening, I then alternate in the watermelon mask instead. So I have both in my skincare wardrobe, but it's really about listening to your skin.
Another way to use 2 masks in one routine is actually using one of the sleeping masks overnight and then another one as a wash off the next morning. I have combination skin, and now it's really cold and the weather is really harsh and dry in New York. So I love using the Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask as my overnight treatment because it really gives that extra moisture. And then in the morning, before I actually cleanse my face, I go straight to my Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask in order to resurface my skin and hydrate it in a really lightweight way, and then I cleanse my face.
So that's actually a really great way to get the benefits of both masks in before you cleanse the skin and then start on the rest of your routine for the day.
Yeah, actually for me, I found it so amazing because the skin is softer, brighter, smoother, and it just creates that canvas for makeup application. So we hope you enjoyed our tips. Thanks so much for watching.
And we'd love to hear about how you guys are using the watermelon and avocado sleeping masks.
So leave your comments below and hit that subscribe button. Get your glow on!